Gulmarrad, New South Wales, Australia, October 28, 2024. Severe thunderstorms have hit Gulmarrad in New South Wales, destroying the roof of an iconic pub and several other buildings, while thunderstorms brought golf ball-sized hail to the Blue Mountains. Gulmarrad hailed the 28th of October 2024 2 p.m. to about 2:15 p.m. Damage: cracked windows, skylights, expect some roofs, solar panels etc. Other damage: smashed patio roofs, vehicles, damage to gardens. Hail is the largest we've seen in 70+ years. The spokesman said the storm lasted about 15 minutes before hitting the nearby town of Yamba. We have a number of reports of broken windows in Gulmarrad NSW south of McLean after golf ball-sized hail hit this afternoon. A severe thunderstorm warning issued by the Bureau of Meteorology remained in force at 4 p.m., warning of damaging strong winds, heavy rain which could cause localized flooding and large hail over the next few hours. The State Emergency Service advised people to cover their cars or move them away from trees, secure loose items around homes, yards and balconies and stay out of floodwaters. A low-pressure trough is expected to continue along the coast moving northeast as severe thunderstorms hit southern Queensland. The SES received 55 calls for help in Laurieton and surrounding areas after hail damage.